And a good Wednesday. Happy halfway to Friday, huh? Today, of course, is June the 9th, 2021. My name is Jewel, and this is the Weather Channel of J7409. Man, yesterday, Cheyenne, Wyoming had that large hail. They had a lot of hail to cover the ground. Also, in South Dakota, there was a reported tornado yesterday in South Dakota. We're going to check out all the severe weather and what's happening for the lower 48, all coming up right after this. So far as severe weather goes today, it looks like we do have a few severe thunderstorms that are possible across portions of the central and western Montana areas for this evening, and portions of the central and western sections in Montana could go into tonight. Now, most of them should be late this afternoon, early evening hours, but some could happen tonight with some isolated severe storms possible across north Minnesota, as you can see, and for the northeast of North Dakota, as well as portions of West Texas into far southwest Oklahoma for this afternoon and evening. Now, as of right now, it's looking like strong wind gusts and hail are going to be the primary concerns with these storms. As we check out the tornado probability, it's 2% up in northern Montana. That's it. Everybody else, it's just going to be severe thunderstorms. Could have some downburst, microburst winds. They can do as much damage as a tornado. It's just in a very smaller area, and it doesn't go as far. Our friend, USMC veteran in West Virginia, he wrote me a note yesterday. He had one where he lived a few days ago, and it did a lot of damage, uprooted big old trees. Now, so far as the wind with these, the greatest chances where the tornado probability would be in northern Montana at 15%, 5% chance in the outlying areas that go down into a little of Idaho, 5% up in Minnesota, and western Oklahoma down through Texas. And so far as hail, it's the very same areas, folks. The very, very same areas. So please keep your eyes open. Be aware of what's going on around you. For everybody else from Florida up to southern Maine, up and down the coastline and in the inland areas, we do have a chance of a thunderstorm. Just a regular old springtime, summer-like thunderstorm, and that goes all the way across, as you can see. So watch your skies, stay safe, and be aware of what's going on around you. Now, as we take a look at the future radar, this is the NAM map for the future radar. It's going to go through till like 2 p.m. Friday afternoon. We'll turn it on, let it play through, and folks, the overall weather pattern is still going to be real slow. Remember yesterday, it's going to be slow to change. I told you so, and that's going to happen right on probably till the end of the week across most of the nation. We do have a large upper level ridge anchored over the plains, and that's going to keep a frontal boundary from making much eastern progress across the Intermountain West and the Rockies through at least tomorrow before it makes more progress on Friday. Meanwhile, we got a cold front. It's going to make slow progress, and I know some of you folks are looking forward to this. It's going to make slow progress southward across the Great Lakes and northeastern parts of the U.S. through the end of the week, bringing some welcome relief to the recent hot weather for these areas. Hopefully by sometime tomorrow, but especially on Friday, hopefully you're going to see a change in the temperatures. Other than that, it's going to remain hot and humid with very hot July-like conditions across the remainder of the central and southern U.S., and these highs are going to be above average. And it's looking like the northern plains and the upper Midwest, you're still going to be so hot. Now, it will be pleasantly cool for this time of the year across the West Coast region. Good Lord knows those folks need it as hot as it's been, and they've had a upper level trough, and it's going to be situated across the eastern Pacific, and that's what's going to make you have some cooler temperatures. We do have that heavy rainfall in the forecast from the deep south to the mid-Atlantic region, with scattered maximum 1 to 3 inches of rain, and it could be even higher possibly over the next 2 days from Kentucky to North Carolina. The greatest concern, of course, is expected to be across southeastern Arkansas and northern Mississippi, where you have a high risk of excessive rainfall in effect for today and tonight. And this area, you've already been hammered by rain. You do have a chance of flooding. If you get another additional 2 to 4 inches of rain on the saturated ground, it's going to greatly increase your flash flood threat. Scattered to numerous showers are also expected across portions of Idaho and western Montana, as I've showed you, near a slow-moving front, and some 1-inch rainfall totals may come to life today. Now, we've got strong to severe thunderstorms, as I've showed you. I don't want you to forget about these storms because they can be dangerous at times. They're going to be possible across portions of Montana today, and it's looking like the latest convection outlook is looking like a more organized severe weather threat is likely across the northern plains as strong disturbance intercepts, and that's going to make the unstable air mass very, very unstable. There will also be elevated fire weather concerns again across much of the Intermountain West, a favorable combination of the gusty winds, the low humidity, along with ongoing severe drought conditions. You still have this elevated fire weather condition. Thanks for watching so much, my friends, and remember to subscribe if you haven't. If you're new to my channel, just click that little J7409 weather insignia in the bottom right-hand corner, then click that bell and check off all to make sure you get all my latest weather videos. I love you all so much. I thank you for everything you do for me. May each of you have a good day, a safe day, a blessed day, and much peace, love, and kindness to each and every one of you. Thank you for watching.